we're going to practice another activity called highlighting. Tell me what it means to highlight. Bryce, what's highlighting? When you go through the story and? Thank you. When you pick out important information. Now, I wouldn't give you this article if I didn't think it was relatively important. Okay? So there's some points in here that are super important. Is the whole thing need to be highlighted? No. Absolutely not, okay? What does highlighting do? If I want to go back and look at an article again and I've highlighted it, 7, what is that going to do for me? Okay, it may give you some information you need for a question. Jonathan?
If you have to research it, you don't have to read through it again.
Ooh. So you're saving time because you've just knocked out those important points. Bryce? In just a minute, once we get started, okay? So our highlighting needs to be selective, okay? We need to be intentional about what we're highlighting. In an article of this size, okay, and these are some real short little pieces, maybe 5, 6 different points. It could be an important fact. It may be a statistic. It may be something that the author feels and he's quoted somebody on that was important to them, okay? So the second time through the article, that's when you're going to use that highlighter to highlight what you think is most important, okay? Are there any questions before we begin?
Jessica, I see you thinking.
Well, an equation that models
A what?
that sentence.
Which one? There's lots of sentences up there.
An equation that models a proportional relationship can be written in the form of
Y equals m times
Yeah.
x. Okay,
That one.
so an equation that models a proportional relationship can be written in the form y equals mx. What else is important from this, Dennis? Okay, so y equals mx is a linear equation. What else do you think that we should know? What is a linear equation? Yeah, something is a linear equation if the graph of all its solutions is a line. Linear has the word line in it. So the way that you can remember that something is linear is if it makes a line. Yep, go ahead and write what's highlighted.
As you read through this information, I want you to highlight the name of the 7 types of electromagnetic waves. Highlight that using one color. I want you to highlight a definition or description of that type of electromagnetic wave with a different color highlight. And then I want you to highlight 2 uses for the type of electromagnetic radiation with a different color. If you don't have 3 different color highlighters at your table, you can use a pencil, a pen, and the one highlighter you have.
Well, this one, like this little sentence right there, kind of does it.
For the concave?
Yeah, it says a concave lens spreads out parallel lines of light.
Should we highlight that?
Yeah.
Okay.
I only want you to highlight the information that's going to help you answer that reading guide question. There are a lot of other vocabulary words, lots of other things in bold print, and it's good information. But what I want you to highlight is the information that helps you answer the reading guide question